When you are happy with your transcript, there is just one thing left to do, and that is to export the transcript. And it's super easy. Here in the text editing view, you click on Export in the top right. In the list, you just pick the format that you want or that you need. If you want to export the transcript as closed captions, you can choose between a SRT, VTT, or ITT file. But you can also export your transcript as a Word document or a plain text file if you just want the transcript as a text. Are you going to upload captions to a video on Facebook? Facebook requires a special format in the file name, and by clicking here, Facebook format, you get the right file name format. To download your transcript, you just simply click on Export. A file will be downloaded and you will find it in your Downloads folder on your computer.